Welcome to Rising Sun Astrology's Daily Dose of Destiny for Friday, August 26th, 2016. The Sun at 4 degrees Virgo, while the cards that govern August 26th are the King of Hearts, King of Diamonds. At 12 noon Mountain Daylight Time, the Moon, finishing up in Gemini, forms a crescent phase sextile with Uranus retrograde in Aries, while it's in a first quarter square with Chiron retrograde in Pisces, and in a first quarter bisextile with the South Node in Pisces. Mercury, finishing up in Virgo, forms a last quarter quintile with Mars in Sagittarius, while Mercury is also in a last quarter quintile with Saturn in Sagittarius. Mercury is in a gibbous phase triseptile with Uranus retrograde in Aries. Mars in Sagittarius is in a last quarter square with Neptune retrograde in Pisces, as Saturn forms a disseminating square with Neptune retrograde in Pisces. Mars in Sagittarius is in a disseminating bisextile with Chiron retrograde in Pisces. Jupiter in Virgo is in a last quarter quintile with Saturn in Sagittarius. Saturn in Sagittarius is in a sesquiquadrate to Uranus retrograde in Aries. Chiron retrograde in Pisces is in a balsamic semisextile with Uranus retrograde in Aries. The Sabian symbol for 4 degrees Virgo is black and white children play together happily. The keynote implies the overcoming of sociocultural prejudices. The cards that govern August 26th are the King of Hearts, King of Diamonds. The King of Hearts begins in the spiritual spread in the Venus-Uranus position, and in the world or the life spread moves to the Mars-Mercury position. The King of Hearts life spread primarily occupies the Mars-Jupiter lines, while the vertical influence primarily occupies the Mercury line. The King of Diamonds life spread primarily occupies the Mars-Jupiter lines, while the vertical influence primarily occupies the Venus line. The King of Diamonds begins in the spiritual spread in the Uranus-Jupiter position, and in the world spread moves to the Mars-Venus position. The King of Hearts gives energy to the Two of Clubs while it receives energy from the Nine of Spades. The King of Diamonds gives energy to the Three of Clubs while it receives energy from the Seven of Spades. For those born today, August 26th, happy solar return. For more information or your year in review, contact me at risingsunastrology.com.